Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for a sustainable and eco-friendly products business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is the type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, let's enter the site. Now create new site. Now search for your business or website type. So next, now wait a few seconds. So now if you want to add a name on your website, give your website a name, enter any business name you want. Do you already have an online store? Choose one here. What would you like to sell? If you want to sell physical products or dropshipping products, services, digital products, or print and demand products. So for example like this. Now click next. Where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or in person or marketplaces and social media. So let's now continue to dashboards. And now design your site. Here if you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize a design template. So now get started. Let's choose this. It's easy. Now wait a few seconds. So now enter your information, enter your address and your phone. If you want here to add the social link, so if you want also to add the logo, so let's click next. Here pick a theme you like, for example this. Pick your favorite homepage design, so for example this. Next. Now if you want to add pages to your site, wait a few seconds. Now if you want to edit more your website, so here this is the the settings of the website. You can add elements here. If you want to manage your theme text, here you can manage the titles. Also here the paragraphs, you can manage the type or the size of the writing. So the image also here, if you want to manage the image, if you want to search image here or anything you want. So let's move on to the button. Here if you want to edit the size of the shape of the button here, text and icon button, icon buttons and image buttons, document buttons, and the iTunes buttons here. So let's move on. Strip here if you want to manage your strip, featured or services, contact, testimonial here if you want to add anything you want. So decorative if you want to add more decorative things, basic shapes, the rows, horizontal lines, the vertical lines, featured icons, and animal and nature. the logos, the badges, the characters. So that's it. Let's move on to the boxes here. If you want to themed boxes, if you want to manage your themed boxes here, hover boxes. So that's it. The gallery, also the gallery here if you want to, sorry, if you want to edit your gallery settings, pro galleries, grid galleries, or slider galleries, and the menu and the anchor, forms, contact or order, registrations, donation, application, feedback and requests, waiver, subscribe. So let's move on here, the video and the music. If you want to manage or search any music here you want, interactive. So the slideshows here if you want to full width slideshows or box slideshows, light boxes, welcome, subscribe, promotion and contact. So the list, if you want to edit your list settings, hover raptures or blank raptures, the embed code, the social, your social media bar if you want to edit it here, Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest. So payment settings here if you want to manage your payment settings, the store, the blog. Also here if you want to add a section, you can add the about section or theme section or contact. Also here if you want to add subscribe, testimonial section and client section. Here you can add the manage page and menu, site menu. Also here if you want to design the site, the color theme or the text theme or the page background, the page transitions. If you want to add apps, more apps on your website. Here if you want to manage your business. Also here your media, if you want to edit your media, upload your media here. You can search anything here you want. Here if you want to manage your site content, and here the marketing and CEO. So that's it. So here if you want to edit your website, if you want to design your website as you like, here you can design it. So after you complete design your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website. And that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.